Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, I am going to guide you how to create a Zoom meeting and invite others by sharing a Zoom meeting link. Either you are using a laptop or mobile phone, I have got you covered. So before proceeding, please make sure you have installed Zoom on your laptop as well as on your mobile devices. At my screen, I can go to download and can proceed with downloading a Zoom. I will not going to proceed with this because I have already Zoom on my laptop. So let's go ahead and log into Zoom. Okay. I am getting login to Zoom on my laptop to schedule a Zoom meeting and share link with others. So here on first screen, I can see schedule. Let's go ahead and click on schedule. Once I click on schedule, okay, I have entered the meeting name. I can change the meeting date and time for the meeting, and also I can set the time here and I can set the region here, and also I can select that if I want to repeat meeting weekly on Thursday, monthly on 30th, every weekday, Monday to Friday, or custom. I can also select the custom days. Okay, here in custom option, I can select ending meeting never or anything like that. And also here I can add the attendees for my meeting. Okay. And also I can see the option that enable continuous meeting chat. Edit attendees will have access to meeting group chat before and after the meeting. The next option I have here, I can add and attachments in the meeting. Here we have few meeting securities, the passcode and the waiting room. So that's fine. This is passcode for our meeting. We can keep it default and we can also change this. The second option we have that only users admitted by the host can join the meeting, otherwise, they will keep waiting in the waiting room. The next option we have that host video should be turned off or on, or participant video should be turned off or on by default. So that's fine. We want to keep it off for now. Scroll down, and here we have the options to send this meeting via Google Calendars, other calendars. That's fine. You can keep here any, because here we want to generate a meeting link and send to others. Either we want to send it to a Google email, Outlook email, Yahoo email, Hotmail email, or any email. In advanced section, we have the option allow participants to join anytime, mute participants upon entry, automatically record meeting on a local computer, approve or block entry for users from specific countries, regions. So I think I don't need to select any of these options for your understanding. You could understand without my explanation. Let's go to more option and see what else we have here. We have that's all in more option. Now let's go ahead and we are ready to send the meeting. Let's click on send. Now here we got the detail of the meeting, right? Topic of the meeting, time of the meeting, and weekly meeting link, join Zoom meeting link, and here we have the meeting ID and passcode that we can send to anybody in the email to join our meeting. Let's go ahead and copy this detail to the clipboard. Let's open the notepad, and here I want to paste all these details. Now we can send these details to anyone in our email to join our meeting. So that's it on the laptop. Now let me quickly go ahead and show you in the mobile phone. So do the same on your mobile phone. Make sure you have installed Zoom on your phone, either it's iPhone or Android. Then go ahead and open Zoom. Once you have opened Zoom, click on sign in. Please go ahead and sign in with your account, either it's basic or pro account, that doesn't matter. Please note that you can still schedule and send the meeting with Zoom basic account. Now it's asking me to upgrade to pro. No, I don't want to upgrade to pro for now. So let's say I want to select it not now for now. Again, I don't want to enable fingerprint for now, not now, and go ahead and get started, because here our only purpose is to schedule a meeting. Let's go to schedule a meeting. Once I came to schedule a meeting, let's name it demo meeting 2. Now same, we can select the date and time. You could also select the attendees. We have few other different options to enable continuous meeting, require meeting passcodes. Here is the passcodes, enable meeting waiting room, only allow authenticated users, and let's see advanced option, few others. So let's say we are done with all of these options, and you can set up these options according to your requirements, and let's go ahead and click on done. You haven't add attendees. Let's go ahead and click on attendees here. I want to add xyz at the rate gmail.com just to complete this example. Click on OK, and now let's go ahead and click on done. Once I click on done, it's asking me allow Zoom to access your calendar. And here, once we have scheduled this meeting, we have few options: start, chat, add to calendar, and invite. Here our purpose of this video is how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite others. Once I came to invite, I got the invitation link here. Okay, once I have copied the invitation link, I want to go to Gmail. Here you go. In Gmail, I want to compose an email. I'm not going to change anything else except this, that I want to show you this meeting link here. So you can customize your email to invite anybody to this Zoom meeting. And that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial on how to create a Zoom meeting link and invite others. We have seen these examples on laptop as well as on the mobile phone. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.